In this video, you will learn what happens with your baby this week, what happens to your body, things to do or consider this week. Feel free to leave a comment if you have questions. Your baby's senses are getting better and better. Your baby now hears your heart beating and the blood rushing through your body. The baby will now curiously try to discover the world with his hands. Sometimes he or she will grab the umbilical cord and feel it on his or her face. At 27.9 centimeters and a weight of 460 grams, your baby is as big as a turnip, as heavy as a football, and your baby will be able to hear your heart beating. Weird dreams and nightmares may be even more common during this time. Chances are, you occasionally worry about the future. Those worries and fears can return in your dreams. Real-life nightmares in which you lose your baby, for example. Such dreams are of course not pleasant, but keep in mind that there probably is a logical reason that you have them. You may occasionally feel the food burning in your stomach. It is an annoying pregnancy ailment to suffer from heartburn. You may be experiencing this for the entirety of the pregnancy. It is therefore important that you try to do something about it. Some things you could try: eat slowly and chew well. The better your food is chewed, the easier it will be for the stomach to process it. It is also better to eat small amounts, about 6 to 8 times a day instead of 3 large meals a day. It is also better to avoid spicy food if you have complaints, because this can cause more stomach acid. Sit or stand upright as much as possible. Have a few extra pillows in bed so that you can sleep a little more upright. Braxton Hicks are muscle contractions of your uterus. They do not hurt, but often give an uncomfortable feeling. It is normal to experience this from time to time. The hard bellies act as a kind of exercise for childbirth. It is possible that when you are about 22 weeks pregnant, that you suddenly suffer from shoes that are too tight. This can be caused by your feet retaining more moisture. Besides this, it can also be that your feet really became a bit bigger. This growth is caused by the pregnancy hormones. These hormones make all your joints looser, including the joints in your feet and toes. As a result, they suddenly take up a bit more space than before the pregnancy. And unfortunately for most women, this is a permanent change. The growth can cause a half or whole shoe size increase. Are you married to the father of the child or not yet? He can only really become a father if he officially acknowledges the child. This creates a legal bond between the father and the child. It is good to think about this role this week.